Welcome back. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Kathy Saban, tracking another glorious day ahead of a looming storm that will change things for your Friday and will impact travel across the state. Travel today, no worries, no issues. We are monitoring the wind coming in from the south and southwest, but not a lot of blowing snow. Actually, a really nice day on the hill if you got up and went skiing. But tomorrow, we do have a weather impact alert issued for the very windy conditions to 60 miles per hour along the Front Range. Mountain snow and wind, which begins tonight. And then there's the possibility of blowing snow, dust, and blizzard conditions in eastern Colorado, western Nebraska, and Kansas. So everybody's asking, is this incoming storm going to block the full blood worm moon, which occurs tonight, overnight tonight? The moon will be fully shaded from 12:26 to 1:31 in the morning. But this storm system coming in is creating some cloud cover. So will it block the moon when it passes into the Earth's shadow? And will we see that red color that we come to love with these lunar eclipses? So it's going to be a 50-50 proposition, but I'm saying there's a chance. Temperatures today, 67 in Denver, almost 80 in southeastern Colorado. A little wind. The wind's starting to pick up outside the studio, 67 degrees east-northeast to about 10 miles per hour. Tracking a wildfire and a grass fire in the El Paso County area. Fire managers trying to get a jump on these grass fires with red flag warning conditions ahead of the worst of the wind, which will be occurring in the next 12 hours or so. So we've got red flag warnings and high wind warnings. This all ahead of a storm system, which is moving into western Colorado. Just now beginning to bring in a little bit of rain and snow to the Four Corners area. This low is a fast mover tracking over southern Colorado and into Nebraska and Kansas by probably Friday night, 24 hours from now. Quick mover, lots of wind on the backside, but some beneficial moisture coming for the state, and this will be enhanced overnight as the low comes closer. Winter weather advisory, 4 to 8 inches of snow, winter storm warning, up to a foot of snow in our southern mountains, mainly on Friday. That moisture begins to really come into the western slope, Four Corners area, and mountains overnight. Denver will get some of that wraparound moisture during the morning drive through the early morning hours, and then this whole system rotates into Nebraska and Kansas. The bullseye for the heavier snow, Aspen, Crested Butte down to Telluride, and the wind will be the other big feature. First out of the west and southwest, and then coming in out of the north and northwest. 40, 50, 60 mile per hour gusts possible. Travel will be impacted by driving and even by air tomorrow, even without a lot of snow in the forecast for the greater Denver metro area. Lows tonight mild, 30s and 40s for lower elevations. Highs tomorrow, not as warm as we've seen, but still close to average at 52 for Denver and almost 60 in southern Colorado. Foothill wind developing later tonight. In the city for tonight, increasing clouds and wind, low 36. Tomorrow, rain showers mixing with snow, windy and cooler, highs in the lower 50s. System rolls out tomorrow night, but the wind stays with us into Saturday when we see clearing and 50 degrees. 62 Sunday, 72 for St. Patrick's Day. And then we have another storm we're watching for the chance for rain and snow late Tuesday into Wednesday with cooler highs in the mid 40s.